friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So as we know that Xamarin is obsolete and .NET MAUI is currently looking for it. So uh, we are going to learn something new about .NET MAUI. So let's begin. Okay, I have come with some topics like what is .NET MAUI, difference between Xamarin and .NET MAUI, why Xamarin is obsolete, and how to install .NET MAUI. Okay, so let's see what is .NET MAUI. Before learning, we should know what is .NET MAUI. So it is generally a cross-platform framework which will allow you to create a mobile app. But in Xamarin, you know that you can create only Android app, iOS app, and Windows app. It is mobile apps only. But in .NET MAUI, you can create Mac uh, app for Mac and also app for the Windows. Okay, so uh, .NET MAUI is generally evolution of Xamarin. It is very faster than the Xamarin, and you can also experience better performance than the Xamarin. And while creating a package, it will also have the low size of the package. So it will not be the issue of the greater size, because in Xamarin when you install, the minimum size will be 20 MB. So .NET MAUI has reduced this size, but I don't know what is the um, minimum size, but it is reduced this size. Okay, and um, let us know what is the difference between Xamarin and .NET MAUI. So I will show you live Visual Studio 2019, okay, in which we can use the Xamarin, and also we have Visual Studio 2022, in which we can work on .NET MAUI. .NET MAUI is in 2022 with .NET 6 framework. Okay. Okay, this is okay. We will first create a new project for .NET MAUI. It is loading. Okay, I have installed this on Windows 10. My PC is configured with Windows 10, but after installation, it warned me that some of the features of Visual Studio 2022 has not installed, because I don't have fully requirement for the Visual Studio 2022. So, because it requires build greater than 10.0.16229, and which is lower in my PC. Okay. This is 22. So create new project. Here you can search .NET MAUI. Okay, here you can see .NET MAUI for iOS. Mac Catalyst means Mac OS PC, Mac OS, and this is WinUI. Tizen, I don't know what is Tizen. This is Blazor app. Blazor also I don't know. I have not studied about the Blazor app, but this is the class library. So in next video we will learn how to create a new app in .NET MAUI, and how to build this app and how to create a package in this. So now we will only explain the difference between the Xamarin and the .NET MAUI. Okay. See, you can see only .NET 6 here. It is not supporting lower less than .NET Framework 6. We will create also project for Xamarin. Okay. Before installing Visual Studio 22, please make your PC capable of this, because my configuration of PC is higher. I have 1 TB space in my PC and 8 GB RAM plus SSD. Okay, so please make sure, because it will make a low performance of the PC after installing Visual Studio 2022. Okay, so in this mobile app we are selecting xamarin.form. I'm creating this project. Okay, here they are giving options, what they are giving in Visual Studio. Okay, let's create this. This is 22. Okay, it did not ask for the layout, what you want layout for, if you want tab or you want fly layout. It directly create the app, but in Xamarin it have asked. Okay, so in that sense, if you want to create a um, mm, navigation bar or a tab, then you have to create by projects are um, in progress. I will pause this video. We don't have to wait. The what the Visual Studio had open. You can see the both the icons are different. This is for 2022. This is for 19. So this is a Xamarin. There are lots of files and folders you have to manage. See, there are 3 projects in Xamarin. Okay, for Android, iOS, and for .NET MAUI there is only one project. It have platforms for Android, iOS, Tizen. I don't know Tizen. It is one type of OS. Okay. It is Linux based my mobile operating system. I don't know about that. I'm not working on Linux, so I don't have more idea about it. It has reduced the number of files. Means it will take less size in your PC, because every time we have to load the you have to click 3 projects. Okay, so it has a platform folder, and there you have the folders for platforms, and here is a resource where you can add fonts. Means add only one file you have to add in the folder, but in Xamarin you have to add file in the Android, to also add same file in the iOS, and also if there is a uh, window project, then you have to add files in the window projects. Means uh, there are um, 3 times files you have to add in this project, but in this you have to add files only for once. Okay, here is the image. Okay, I think we don't have to add image here. We have to add images here, so it will take image as per requirement. Okay, we will go in brief in next coming video. So the you can notice there are something similar in this, like app shell, main page. Okay, app shell for navigation page, and this is the main app where you can call a new starting page. Same here is also available. So there are some of the similarities in the both projects. Okay, and there are also similarities for the um, layout, shells, and the controls. I think they are similar because there are I think maybe there are coding writing in the coding style will be somewhat different, but here you can see vertical stack layout. We have the stack layout with the orientation. You have to pass the value like vertical or horizontal. They are providing two control like vertical stack layout and the horizontal stack layout. So you can see this code. This is different. This is new property. Okay. So in means I can say that there is many similarities in the Xamarin and .NET now. Okay. Next is the we saw this multiple project dependency file. Okay, it support only .NET framework to build and run. It will it take a support of .NET CLI toolchain and .NET MAUI use the handler architecture and Xamarin use the renderer architecture. Means handler architecture means it can use a event handler and renderer architecture means you have to create a renderer in all the projects, all the platform project you have, and you have to create event in all the renderer architecture. But in .NET MAUI you have to create once a handler. Okay, hot reload is completely supported, but in Xamarin it is limited to the UWP. It is not completely supported hot reload. .NET MAUI providing graphics like paint, winding, blend, but in Xamarin no graphics are available. Okay, but in .NET MAUI uh, it should be a Android 5 API level of 21 or higher. If it is less than, then it will not support. And Windows 10 or Windows 10 1809 for the .NET MAUI. But I have installed in Windows 10, but it is running. I just install and create new project and run. I have not created any new app, so I don't know what is limited to my Windows 10. But I know that I have don't have version of 1809 or higher. I have the version of lower than the 1809 and Windows 10 here is 10 Windows 10. So these are the some all difference of the Xamarin and .NET now. Why next question is that why Xamarin is obsolete? Okay, you can't say that Xamarin is obsoleted because Microsoft has told that it will continue to receive service release through the November 2022, but it will be the very good experience of using a .NET MAUI because .NET MAUI is the evaluation of Xamarin Form. It comes with the better performance and extensibility. So it will also allow you to create an application for the Windows and the Mac OS. So uh, in future, developer will choose .NET MAUI over the Xamarin Form. So uh, so Xamarin Form, I think that Xamarin Form will be slowly down, and but if there is any services, then it will provide to the Microsoft. How to install .NET MAUI? So you have to follow this link. I will share this link in the description section. In this link, this is provided by Microsoft. In this link it will give all the steps how to install the .NET MAUI. Okay, so I will open it. I will try to Okay, so here it is given some requirements and the latest version of Xcode, Apple ID, and some of the information for the Visual Studio. Okay, and he is providing the .NET community. If you are only developers, means single developer, if you want to only practice, then I prefer to use community because both these are payable. You have to means after 2 months or 3 months it will stop working, it will ask for the login. So every 2 month or 3 month you have to change the login, but it is not preferable to use the professional. So if you want to use professional or enterprise, please purchase the license. It will provide many services, and but if you are only want to practice, then please use the community, because the um, features we are using, common features is available in the .NET community. And this is the how you are to install. This window will open, then .NET MAUI platform you have to select. Okay, then it will install these features, and we have to do next this and finish. We are good in it. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and please share these videos to your friends, and please please subscribe my channel. And also this I have written a blog where all the detail I have explained is written here, so you can also go through it. If you forget anything, you can see here. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.